Are cyanotoxins terrifying your lakes or large rivers or even your oceans? Yes? Well, let's fight back by learning what they are. So, cyanotoxins are molecules produced by cyanobacteria, or commonly known as blue-green algae, that are released into water systems typically after the cell dies. The most common cyanotoxin in the US is microcystin. Cyanobacteria produce these toxins as a secondary metabolite to use against predators. One intriguing feature of cyanotoxins is that they're minuscule. To better understand the size, let's compare it to bacterial cells. The typical size of a bacterial cell is somewhere around 1 to 1,000 of a meter, but these molecules are more like 1 to 1 billionth of a meter. Wow, that's super duper small. Outbreaks are a result of excess amount of nutrients, especially phosphorus and nitrogen, that manage to get into large community water supplies. This cycle continues, therefore creating unexpected seasonal outbursts. Let's say that a healthy adult ingests cyanotoxins, for example microcystin. They can fight these molecules because the liver helps to toxify and filter many things out of the body. If the levels of toxin get too high, our body wouldn't be able to keep up and would fail to function properly. This happens because microcystin inhibits a class of enzymes called protein phosphatases. This inhibition results in a cascade event that is still not fully understood. All of these effects are amplified for vulnerable populations. This includes your dogs. So water filtration is key. There are many treatment methods that can remove cyanotoxin like microcystin from the water. The problem is finding a treatment method that effectively removes the contaminant and is economical enough to be used for a large community water supply. Some people may think, why not just boil the water? Good idea, but all that would do is cause a higher concentration of toxins. Why? Because cyanobacteria can easily be denatured at high temperatures, causing the last few living cells to die and release more toxins. Based on recent research, activated carbon ceased to be an effective choice for bacterial removal as long as the concentration of microcystin correlates with the dose of activated carbon added to the water. So it is very possible to find effective filtration systems. Yet there are still several unknowns, like if global warming, atmospheric concentrations of CO2, or UV fluxes play a major role in the seasonal outbreaks. Another unknown would be how cyanotoxins play a role in the ecological system. So whenever you hear the blue-green algae blooms are terrifying your city, know that you'll be aware of the situation and that you can inform those around you. Keep your questions flowing because there are still lots of unknowns that need to be discovered.